Alright, what is up sa inyo guys? This is mga page again at dito na naman tayo ngayon para sa pagbago nating gameplay at sa video natin ito ay maglalaro tayo ngayon or susubukan nating laruin itong Go Ape Ship na kung saan kakarelease lang na itong game na to ngayong February 18 lang. So napakabago lang na itong game na to. So online game po ito at ang gagawin nyo dito ngayon is magkocontrol kayo ngayon sa isang spaceship or kokontrol nyo yung spaceship at kayo ay isang unggoy. So nababasa nyo naman siguro sa title guys. Ape, okay? So unggoy kayo ngayon dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong type ng unggoy. But ayun, susubukan natin to. So lalagay ko sa description yung link ng game na to. So kasi nga online game to guys, meron ditong open mic or voice chat na available na kung saan pwede kayo makipag-communicate into real time, okay? Real time player. Okay, pwede kayo makipag-communicate sa mga totoong tao dito kasi may mission kayong gagawin. Okay, so nabubulol na ako. Kaya umpisa na natin to. Excited na rin ako guys. Settings muna tayo dito. Graphics, i-high natin yan. VSync, i-on natin to. FPS, syempre wag 60. Ay wag 30. 60 dapat yan. MSA 8 times. Okay, and I think okay na to guys. And I hope walang copyright yung music na ito para tuloy-tuloy ang ating kasiyahan. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so let's play. Okay, and kung nakikita nyo, mga real players po itong mga to. Okay, nang gagawin natin dito? Wala ba tutorial dito? Putik-tik. I-quit ko muna. Ba't wala tutorial? Ito, play tutorial. Ano ba naman yan? Bago-baguhan pa lang ako eh. Alam mo namang unggoy, di ganun katalinuhan yan.
Oh, good morning,
Pero hindi ako yung unggoy guys ha.
Welcome to the Center
Ito,
for
tutorial.
Hyper-Intelligent Monkey Propulsion.
Okay?
I know monkeys aren't chimps, but the government loves acronyms more than accuracy.
Alright.
Where are my manners? I'm Dr. Lara
Dr.
Bacon,
Lara, okay.
Chief Semionologist. The
Semionologist?
space agency decided that
Wala
they're
narinig
worried
yun,
about bad press if human astronauts don't make it home safe. That's where you come in.
So tayo nga
Together,
rin.
we'll learn to operate the ship,
Tayo yung gagawin
survive
na
space,
dito.
and ideally,
Kapag
not
tanggol ng
explode.
spaceship.
I've done my best to make the cabin as comfortable as I can for your journey.
Okay, sige. Thank you, madam.
If catastrophe strikes and you don't make it back, don't feel bad. We'll learn so much that the next trip is destined to go smoother.
Next trip, kung buhay pa ako
Let's
nun.
start with learning how to get ready to launch. Take a seat.
Take a seat. Okay, let's go. Take a seat.
Great work. Let's launch this space shuttle. 3, 2, 1. Mission control will give you tasks.
So, imagination
on your
pa lang
flight.
yun, okay?
Let's start by adjusting the thrusters.
Okay guys. So syempre guys, dahil nga unggoy tayo,
Grab the
unggoy, hindi
throttle
naman yan
and
kasing
increase
katalino
into the
ng
target
tao.
zone.
Kailangan muna natin
Be careful
pag-aralan yung mga
though. It can be a
ginagawa
little
or gagawin natin sa
temperamental.
spaceship, okay? Kasi syempre nakakaya naman sa mga real players. Baka murahin tayo. May open chat pa naman dito or voice chat. Anyway, let's go. Let's proceed with this throttle. How to use this? Ihay natin yung lever at ito. Umaakyat na po yung kulay green. Up, wait lang. Ibaba natin. Dapat yata dito guys, sa minimum sa gitna. And dapat naglalaro lang dyan. And
I
ayun.
knew you could do it. Now it's time to plan a flight path.
Tika, kinuto tayo na ito guys ha. Ginawa akong
Input the
unggoy
plan
ah.
to the left into the system by tapping the buttons.
Tapos
When you're
tumalon.
done,
Nasa
submit
spaceship
it.
nga tayo. Putik-tik, iba yung gravity dito. Okay, but anyway guys, anong gagawin natin dito? Plan flight path. I think gagayan natin to guys. Okay. Up, right, left, down, right. Okay. Let's go. Up, left, right, down, right. Okay, and what's next? Yun lang yung kaya kong kabisaduhin. Okay. Down, down, up, down, right. Okay. Let's go again. Talon ng talon eh. Down, down. Nakalimutan ko na po. Tek. Up, down, right. Okay, let's go. Up, down, right. And submit. Let's see.
Great job. Now we need to
Uy,
check the
buti-buti.
health of all the monkeys
Nandito
on
na yung mga
board.
unggoy.
Grab a reflex hammer
Mga
and check the
kauri
reflexes
natin.
of 3 of your fellow astro chimps.
So how to check the reflexes. Okay. Check reflexes by using this kind of tool and let's... Anong gagawin? Ay, puti-tik, in-smash niya.
Where's Astro Chimp Wiggles? No, he's just being silly.
Anong nangyari doon?
He really does want to get hit with that hammer. Just chase him down and check his reflexes.
Puti-tik ka. So, sige, bully natin to guys. Sampasin din natin to. What are you doing? Oy! Ay, gagi. Ginawa niya.
Oh, honey, the exits have been, modified to deter desertion. Poor guy. Always the rebel. Go find a med spray
Med spray?
and let's help him out.
Where's the med spray? So yun guys, nandito. Kunin natin to.
Give him a spray and he'll be good as new. Mostly. Let's hope you
Ayun,
learned a
nabuhay ulit.
valuable lesson. Not
Buti ka
everything
rin.
goes smoothly in
So
space.
cheap, I know.
That's why we need to teach you how to deal
Ba't
with
sila lumabas ako, hindi
emergencies.
pa?
Practice patching a hole in the ship.
Sana naman. Ayun, ito guys. So talagang tinuturuan tayo dito kasi isasalang na tayo sa totoong misyon pagkatapos na ito. Kaya be patient.
Trace
Ano to?
the crack to seal it up.
Paano
Make sure
i-seal?
to fill in all the spots to keep the air in.
Putik-itik, magwe-welding pa tayo. Pinag-labor pa talaga. Paano pag ganito ginawa ko dito? Ay, bawal. Drawing
Now
sana ako
we're getting
ng
ready for
tarong.
landing. Get back in your seat quickly or you might be subjected
Okay,
to
let's go.
physics.
Ito na.
You're so good at this.
Inuuto pa tayo
Those
guys.
few
So,
minutes of training
ginawa talaga
surely
tayong
prepared
unggoy.
you for space travel. You'll almost certainly make it to the moon in one piece. Now, recruit a crew, strap in, and let's explore the cosmos.
Okay guys, I think natapos na natin yung tutorial and training success. Tayo ay nakapag ano na ngayon dito, TESDA. TESDA no? Okay, but anyway, let's play this. So may private mission rin guys. Kung gusto nyo makipaglaro sa mga friend nyo, pwede siguro yung private mission na yon using the ID or anything else. But here we go. Meron ngayong ilang players dito na available at dalawa na yung nakaupo. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-open mic. Uy! Gamble? Nagsalita ka, Gamble? Gusto ko buksan yung open mic natin kaso guys, to troubleshoot baka hindi na natin marinig tong yung sound effects sa screen record. But anyway, let's sit. Okay? Upo na kayo lahat. Mamaya nga, ano bang ginagawa dito? Ay, kagi. Upo na tayo, baka maiwan tayo. Upo na, para diretso na tayo. Kailangan 8 eh. Oh, nagsasalita guys. Hello kanya. Dapat nag-auto start na. Ito na guys.
2,
7 lang kami imbis na 8. Let
Let it
off.
entering space.
Ay putik.
Restraints released.
Ayun yung Earth oh.
New tasks available.
Anong task natin? Ayun, punta natin. Bilis. So hindi yata ito paunahan guys. Ewan ko lang. Okay. How to do this? Ipapadaan yata natin sa star. Let's try. Pak po! Tik-tik. Unang pagkakataon mali. Pataas pala siya. So ganyan dapat. Sa pool. Task complete. Kita mo yon? Task complete tayo. Okay. What's next? Uy, gagi. Second floor pala to. Pero pang underground yung spaceship natin, oh. Kitchen. Ano ang ating next task? Kita tayo dito. So guys, nasa description yung link ng game na to, ha. Kita nyo, ginawa tayong unggoy dito na nagmi-mission. May emotes. Yes, sir! Okay, pulutin nga natin to. Ay, puti ka, huwag ka nang umupo dyan. Nagsasalita kasi Gumball. Ano ba ang new task natin? So new task will appear after 1 minute. Okay, warning. Kailangan natin to tapusin. Hold to power. Madali lang naman. Ayan, taka naman neto. Ako na kaya gagawa neto. Bagal mo eh. Ano bang pinapagawa? Down, right, left. Okay? Down, right, left. Down to. Tapos up, left, up. Up, left, up. Tapos up. Up, submit. Yan, ganito lang yan. O, di ba? Tataka ng mga kasama natin. Putik-itik, binuhat pa ako. Halika nga dito. Ikaw yung bumuhat sa akin eh. Oo. Loh. Gogi. What happened? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Palabas na yung mission. Next mission.
An anomaly
Oo.
detected.
Oh, putik-tik, tumatagilig na yung ano natin.
New tasks
Mga
available.
solar system guys, oh. Pabagsak na yata tayo sa Earth. Bilis! Hindi nyo ba kayang ayusin yan? Nako, kailangan natin ng welding torch. Dun. Oh, gagi, may umiyak. Ano yun? Ay! Sige, ako na bahala dito. Press start. Putik-tik, paano to? Plus 10, ay, papa 100 yata natin. Dapat di tayo matalo dito guys. Parang gets ko na. Malupit yung mga challenging missions dito sa loob ng spaceship ha. Tsaka unggoy pa kayo, no? Okay, it's complete. Nice na ba? Na-welding na? Ano nagsasalita? Si Gumball yun ha. Bata ata yun ha. Hoy, sino? Wag mo kong binubuhat. Ito siya oh.
New tasks
Okay, radio
available.
signal. Where? Ayun, nandun. Ay, putik-tik, ba't ba lumilipad? Nagkakaroon na ng error sa ship, bilis.
Warning.
Ipapantay yata natin. Hindi ko alam, bahala na kayo dyan. Kahit sumabog na to, wala nang pakialam. Okay, so mag-emote muna tayo. Okay. Bahala na kayo sa next mission nyo. Pero I think guys, hanggang dito lang itong gameplay natin. So nakaka-enjoy ito kapag kasama nyo yung mga real players. Or I mean real players naman kasama natin dito. Mga kasama nyo yung kaibigan nyo talaga, mga family nyo. Kasi yan, talagang may mission kayo at magmumukha kayong unggoy. Maraming salamat. This is Page again. Kita sa next video. Ulitin ko, nasa description po yung link ng game na to. I-download nyo na lang kapag nagustuhan nyo. Alright, goodbye.